and 25 days of deals. Today is Vlogmas Day 7. I'm super excited about today's video. You guys do not want to miss out. So go grab you some hot cocoa, put on some fuzzy socks, sit back, and let's enjoy today's Vlogmas video. Miss Remy over here, she done tore one of my blankets down, okay? And now she's trying to open up the baby shark present. Look, she got... Lord Jesus. It's not Christmas time yet, baby. What's up, Cham Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you've made your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of our future uploads. All right, guys, so let me start off by saying I've had probably quite a few people comment about the shirts that are behind me. Yes, you can purchase the shirts. I'm actually working on a website right now for you guys. They're not my shirts. They are my mother-in-law shirts, and I'm working. She has a website. I'm working on getting the shirts uploaded to the website. As soon as I get them all uploaded, I will let you guys know what website it is, where to go look for them, and then you guys can start purchasing these amazing shirts. They are gorgeous. Like, let me just show you this one right here. I love it. This is for baby. Peace, love, and Grinch. How stinking cute. And then this one is for mama. Peace, love, and Grinch. They do amazing work. It is definitely a lot of hard work and effort put into these shirts. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears, as you say. They're gorgeous. So I will let you guys know as soon as the website is up and has everything on it. And all right, guys, so I'm fixing to show you how you can get a free $10 shipped to you completely free today only at Italic. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this website. You type in www.italic.com. Once you do that, you see down here, it'll say earn $10 in credit. Create your account for $10 in Italic credits. You literally just make you an account, put your email address, do a password, boom, your $10 automatically is going to be added to your shopping. Search all of the different, you have women, men, home, pets. I'll show you guys what I got this morning. I went to home, and then once you go to home, go to sort by low to high, so prices lowest to the highest. And as you can see, it's showing the cheapest items. We'll go to price. We'll go to 0 to 25. Okay, so we have a $16 candle diffuser. These are some satin pillowcase sets. They're $12, so you would only pay $2 for them. I got these hand towel washcloths. I got these washcloths right here. They're $10. So it's going to make both of these washcloths completely free. Serene cotton towels. So you take your 2 washcloths, you add them to your cart. I've already done it, so it's not going to take the $10 off for me, but I will pop up a screenshot of where I got mine for free. You're going to want to go to your cart. Your $10 is going to automatically be taken off because you done signed in. Then where it goes to promo code, I'm going to get you to type in free ship. You apply that. Or no, it's ship free. Hang on. Ship free. You apply that. Hang on. I know I used this morning. We'll go to proceed to checkout. All right, let's see. Maybe now. Ship free. Let's see. Okay, so you're going to type in free ship or either ship free. Try both of them in all capital letters, and it's going to make your shipping completely free. Completely free. And you just got 2 free cotton towels. I literally paid 80 cents. I will pop it up right now for you guys. Why not go and do this? It'll take 5 minutes of your time. You get 2 really fancy cotton towels. Great to throw in a gift basket. Great to keep for yourself. Great for a gift for your parents or grandparents or whatever. For $10 for a wash rag, they must be pretty darn nice. So y'all go get, and there's other stuff on here as well that's $10. You don't have to get the wash rags. Just go to each and every category, and then when you click on it, go to lowest price 0 to 25, and it'll show you what you can get. If you want to pay a little extra, that's completely up to you. Use the promo code free ship or ship free in all capital letters to get free shipping. I paid 80 cents. Go find what you want for 10 bucks on this website for free. Today only, y'all. Run. Free, free, free. All right, now moving along to Dollar General. Do not forget about their one-day deal this Friday, December the 10th, where you get buy 2, get 1 free candies, buy 3, get 1 free. The BOGO Finders Keepers, the Betty Crocker, you buy their icing, you get the cake for free. This mop is amazing. Y'all don't forget about this, but I did want to share with you guys some of the coupon stuff. We got a couple coupons this morning. I'm just going to update you guys on the coupons we got this morning and what you can get with them. All right, so save 2 when you spend 8 on Betty Crocker, Pillsbury, Gold Medal Flour, and Bisquick products. This is the coupon that I was talking about that's going to go amazing. If you buy the icing, you get the cake mix for free. You can buy so many cake mixes and icings, and you're only going to pay $6 for them. I will share that deal with you come Friday. That way you know exactly what you need to get. If you're interested, come back Friday for it. I wanted to share this with you. There is a save $1 on Cafe Bustelo coffee products. If you are an espresso drinker or you have an espresso drinker in your life, maybe you got somebody an espresso machine for Christmas, I don't know. There's a really good deal on this Cafe Bustelo, or however you say it. It'll make, I'll pop it up. It's $2.95. We have this $1 off digital, and it's going to make it only $1.95. That is great to throw in a gift basket, great for a stocking stuffer. Also, this Kiss hair color tint up, we have a $2 off digital. That's really good. I will pop up, I think it's $2.50. Great for a teenage stocking stuffer if they like to dye their hair, or if that's something that they're into. Save $1 when you spend 3 on Crayola products. That's a good coupon for stocking stuffers, you guys, or gift baskets. Get some crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever. Save $1 when you buy them. So now everybody was asking what kind of mascara I had on in my last video. I commented or wrote back to a couple of comments, but I was wrong. I put Luscious Lashes by L'Oreal. It's Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I do know it's by L'Oreal. It is L'Oreal U100 Blackest Black and Rose Gold Voluminous Lash Paradise. This stuff is magical, guys. This is my lashes before the mascara. This is my lashes after the mascara. This is not a promo. They did not send me no free product. I literally got this couponing and tried it out. So you guys go pick it up. It is awesome. I love it. It goes on easy, smooth, no clumping. It doesn't dry out. I've had it for a while. I love it. All right, guys, so it's that time of the month again. Variety Fun is a snack subscription box. You can get it bi-weekly or monthly. It is very, very cheap, especially if you use my promo code. All the information for it is down below in the description box. You can get the Fun Box, which is the box that I get, or you can get something called the Fit Box, which is all healthy snacks, keto snacks. Really good stuff, especially if you're going on a diet for the new year, or you just want to live a healthier lifestyle and you don't know what to buy. Their Fit Box is great, and it'll let you also know what to get while you're in store. So I'm going to share it with you guys. I love this company, and the reason I love this company so much is they donate to thousands of families all the time through a company called City Harvest. Look it up. I absolutely love that they donate. Anybody that is doing well and can help somebody else out, I think that they should. I think that is just the true meaning of Christmas and the holidays, and I love it. It reminds me of that song Christmas Shoes. If you've ever heard it, let me know down below in the comments. If you have not heard it, go to YouTube and search Christmas Shoes song. It is beautiful. I actually sing it to Remy every single night while we're in the bath. You can go follow them on Instagram and Facebook. But I'm just going to share with you guys a little bit of what is in here. I'm not going to go through everything like I usually do. We have the pop. We have 3 different flavors. White cheddar, sea salt, and kettle corn of the pop corners. It's popped corn chips. We have hot fries, cheddar fries, pop chips, barbecue, pop chips, barbecue. Look at this, y'all. Remy's Grams, honey grams. How stinking cute. I'll definitely have to save this. They have these little 4 chocolatey cookie squares, triple chocolate. They look amazing. Y'all, this is great to fill up stockings, especially if you have a lot of stockings to fill up. Great to sit out on the table while you're waiting for the holiday supper to get done. Great for game night, movie night. I mean, lunches. It's great for so many different things, and it comes right to your door. We have some salted peanuts. Cheez-Its. It is a great mom hack, okay? That's for sure. Pop chips and sour cream flavor. We have mini sandwich cream cookies. We got some Abby's cookies, Grandma's cookies, banana oat, Sunbelt Bakery granola, some more salted peanuts. We have 3 Welch's fruit snacks, another granola bar, lots of different crackers. We got peanut butter, cheddar cheese, peanut butter, and PB&J. Okay, I see you. Then we have peanut butter toasties. We have peanut butter toast cheese and peanut butter toast cheese. More grandma cookies, 2 Rice Krispie treats, 2 Airheads, more grandma cookies, and 3 fruit snacks. Y'all, it's a lot of snacks delivered right to your front door. You guys, check them out. All the information is down below in the description box. Variety Fun. Look them up. Look down in the description box. I promise you guys, you won't regret it. And if you want to do it monthly for a couple of months and then you don't want to do it anymore, it's as easy as hitting a button. You can cancel it. So y'all go check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And we're now going to do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on that post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go and like the video. Once you like it, then share it. Share it with your social media, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. I don't care. Just share it. Once you've shared it, comment down below. Hashtag ChanFam, hashtag done, or hashtag post notification gang. So today's shout out goes to Miss Ola Franklin. I'll pop your comment up. I see you, girl. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed evening. And as we always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now. And time for Remy. Remy. Hey, Remy. Hey, Remy. Look at that pretty little girl. Tell the Chan fam hey. Oh, you sweet sugars. Uh-oh, we turned it around. Tell them hey. You gonna blow them some sugar? Get that thing out of the nose. Blow them some sugar. You better get that thing out of the nose. You better get that nussy. Blow them some sugar. Go mwah. Blow them sugar. Ray, her in her little Christmas outfit. She got on her little reindeer bow. We getting dressed for the day. But don't do that. Blow them sugar. Go mwah. What are you doing? Oh, sweet sugars, baby. Cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Remy. Remy. What's over there? Who's under there? Is that Pebbles? Where's Pebbles? Doggy. Doggy. Say doggy. Doggy. Remy. Say cheese. Remy. Remy. Y'all, I got this bench at the end of my bed, and she's done figured out if she throws that cushion down on the floor, she can get off my bed. Remy. Pop it. Y'all hear her saying pop, pop, pop it. Pop it. Remy. Remy. Hey, girl. Say cheese. You gonna say cheese for mama? Say cheese. Y'all, she climbs on everything. Literally every single little thing, she'll climb on it. Can you say cheese for mama? Doggy. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Say cheese. Remy. 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 Say cheese. Say cheese. No, no, no. Say cheese. Cheese. Y'all heard her say it. Cheese. Say cheese. Yeah, she's done with the camera. When she does that, she's like, I'm done. Cheese. You're so beautiful. I love you. You're so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.